Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I've been a little MIA. I've been really sad these past couple of weeks because I was gonna apply for the nail technician program that's in the town next to me. It's the closest beauty school next to me, and it's the only beauty school around here where I live. So they said they're not offering it this year, so I was really sad. But you know what, I'm just gonna keep watching YouTube videos and learn that way, and then hopefully next year I can get into the nail tech program if hopefully they're offering it next year. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna be showing you guys my Sky Beads beauty haul. Sky Beads Swarovski haul. And I'm also gonna be organizing it into this little organizer that I got at it was in my last nail haul, I think. But yeah, enjoy. I did try to go slow so you guys can read the labels. This little organizer is so cool. I love it because you can actually, move the little slides around, or what are they called? Or slots or whatever, you know what I mean. But yeah, I can move them wherever, and if I need more room, just make more room for whatever I need to put in. I really, really love this thing. It's so cool. I didn't even know it did that at first. I just found out right before I started doing this. Now I just took out this old mix of rhinestones, and now I'm gonna label the slots so I know exactly which Swarovski. I think that's what that's called, right? I hope I'm saying it right. But now I'm gonna be organizing them into each slot, and I'm gonna make sure to label it just so when I run out, I can know exactly which one I ran out of, and if I liked it, if I'll get extra of those ones and reorder them. But yeah, I found this was the easiest way to do this. I know some people do it on the inside, like on the sides, but I really like this way. So every time I run out of one, I can see exactly which one I ran out of. And yeah, now I'm just using regular clear tape and then just peeling off the labels off the little packet. And then I'm putting the crystals in order so I remember exactly which order they go in. And I'm just making sure everything is in order and in the right slot with the tag and everything. And surprisingly, I had just enough slots. So it worked out really perfect. These crystals are super beautiful. Like, I can't believe the price of them and then how fast they shipped. Everything was perfect. I love this. This was my first Swarovski crystal order I've done. So I loved everything that I got from them. And they have so much varieties and sizes. It's kind of weird, kind of difficult ordering online because you don't know how they'll look in person, because on the sky beads they usually just have like a drawing or a picture of what they look like, but it's not the real picture of them. I don't know how to explain it. It's like just a drawing of them. And then some do have like, pictures from customers of what they actually look like in person, but most of the pictures on their website are just like, the drawings, not the animated drawing, of the crystal. It's not the real real life crystal picture of it. I can't explain that. But anyways, yeah, I actually got the variety pack, I think it's called, and I got to choose which ones I wanted. So I just grabbed the paper and pencil and wrote down which ones I liked, and then I had to remember what size to get, and then what color, and how many. So most of these I got like 100 and 100 and 100 of each, so I can have a wide variety of them. And then whichever ones I really liked the most, I was gonna reorder like a bigger size next time. So I just did it that way. But it worked out well. I got a pretty much any like every color. I didn't want to stick with one color, you know. So the variety packs are really really cool, and you can save a lot of money that way too. It's kind of like a sample of everyone, but yeah. I definitely recommend you guys check them out. They were amazing. And hope you guys can see how good they look in here. It really doesn't do justice from just a video. Like, they're so beautiful in person. I tried going slow so you guys can see like every detail of them, but obviously it's not gonna be the same as in person. But I tried. I swear, my nails look so raggedy right now. Please don't look at them. Ew. Disregard my nails, please. But damn, look at these crystals. They're so beautiful. I can't even say how beautiful they are. They're so freaking shiny and just sparkly and so, oh my god, I can't even. I really recommend this little organizer though. It is amazing as well. Like, you guys know how much I can do with this. Like, this is so neat. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. I'm not really a fan of the, those teardrop shaped ones or the huge ones. I don't know about those ones. I really like the small ones. Those are so cute to me. But I don't know what I'm gonna do with the big, huge ones yet. And this is a separate order. I ordered it like the next day. I ordered these after I ordered the other ones. This is the Lavender Delight. I got the variety pack of these, so they gave me like different sizes, but they're all the same Lavender Delight style or color. But these are so beautiful. Like, my favorite color right now is lavender, so I just fell in love with these. Like, they're so pretty. I had to order them. But yeah, I didn't have any room in my slot in my organizer for them, so I had to make some room. I noticed that I had like two crystals that were the same, so I just moved those to the other slot and made room for these ones. And then again, they gave me a little gift, which is awesome. So pretty and cute, little crystal flames. how beautiful these are, guys. These are amazing. These are the rainbow. They're like black, but rainbow color when they shine. And these are so beautiful. It reminds me like of lava or something. They're like pinkish, bluish, purple. So beautiful. I got a lot of purple ones. It's so pretty. These are just the regular crystal ABs. They're so beautiful though. And then I got like different colors. So I have like green, purple, blue. I got a lot of different colors. These are freaking gorgeous. These are the lavender delights. So pretty. I already used a whole bunch of them, so some are missing. But yeah, you guys see how beautiful these are? Like, imagine them in person. You guys are gonna love these when you order some. I highly, highly, highly recommend. And they're such nice people too. If you have any questions or anything, you can just send them a message and they'll get right back to you. And also, my order got here right away, even with all this crazy stuff going on, which is amazing. I really appreciate them. And they gave me a gift every time I ordered. I ordered like one day and the next day I ordered again. So I still got a gift with the smaller order. So as you guys can see, I don't have a lot of subscribers or followers. I would really appreciate it if you guys see this, hear me saying this right now. If you guys can share my page, my Instagram, my YouTube, please. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway to get my followers and subscribers up, so stay tuned on more information about that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know what you guys got from here, from Sky Beads. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. You guys are amazing. Take care.